Hello, welcome everyone, welcome to Professor Fabio Barrow's channel. Yes, I have a problem to solve here. Let's get straight to the point. Solve the system of linear equations through the Geogebra software and make the graphic representation. Walkthrough. From Geogebra, it is possible to solve the system here quickly and also represent it through a graph. As this is a 3x3 system, its graphical representation will be a representation. 3. Each equation of this one represents a plane. It has plane 1, plane 2, and plane 3. Let's go then. Make this equation. I'm going to open Geogebra here. People will have to use Geogebra 3 because it is a 3x3 system. Let's do it. Let's do it first. The graphical representation, and then we find the solution. Here, when you open it, it opens in TOD. Comes here in View, the 3D preview window. And it will open the 3D visualization window. I'm going to close TOD and leave only 3. Here in the input field you will type the equations. The first equation is tangent normal. Since there's x1, x2, x3, I'm going to call x1s, x2, x3s. X more. V plus equals 7. Let's go in the foreground. The other one is x plus 5e plus e equals -8. The other plane. Let's enter each of the equations. Is being graphically represented here. So we can see that in this system we have a 3x3 system and are represented as planes. To improve the situation here in properties, I right click on the equation. I'm going to change its color to get a better view. Here in color, I'll put red. Opacity here, I'm going to put 100% too. I already changed this. Evaluation. Now I'm going to change from the other equation. Here in properties, click on top. Properties, I will change it to blue. I will also set the transparency to 100%. Here in the other, it's green. I'll put this green over here. So if I move here, I will clearly see here the intersection between the planes. This intersection right here is exactly the solution. How do I solve this 3x3 system here in Geogebra? I will use the command solve. I'll take this first one right here, equation. What am I going to put here in place of equation? I'll put each of the equations. I notice here that in the algebra window, I have the equation 1, the second at 2, and the third at 3. So I'm going to put each one of them here. I'm going to put 1 T and separate each one with a comma. 1 at 2 at 3. When I hit enter, the system solution arrows into. Look, the system solution appeared here. Amount appeared here. So the x is going to be 1, the y is -2, and this is 1. That's exactly how you find the solution of a 3x3 system using Geogebra. Okay, very easy. Just that. Thank you. Until the next video. I went.